June is actually a great month to start some flowers from seed, especially since now I would hope and think that most people have gotten past their last frost dates. And even though the weather is starting to heat up, it's not too late to start some flowers from seed, either directly sown in the ground or in seed starting trays. So here are my top picks. First up are sunflowers because they do really well in the summer, and you can definitely get some sunflowers by the end of the summer or even into the fall if you plant them now. And some varieties can bloom quickly, especially dwarf varieties. Zinnias are a great choice to start from seed this month because they germinate really quickly and grow fast, and you can sometimes get some blooms in as little as 30 days. And these are cut and come again flowers, so if you cut some, more will grow, and there's a lot of different color options to choose from. Marigolds are actually quite drought tolerant after they get established, making them a great choice to start from seed this month. They germinate relatively quickly and they make a great companion plant for so many other plants by deterring pests, and they can also last well into the fall. It's also not too late to start cosmos from seed. They hold up pretty well over the summer, and even in poor soil, they can grow well. And they are also drought tolerant once they are established. And overall, they are a very low maintenance flower, and they are a pollinator magnet, and they can last into the early fall depending on your climate. My last suggestion is Coreopsis, especially if it hasn't gotten too hot already in your climate. And you can see blooms in as early as 60 days. And like Cosmos, they are fairly low maintenance and drought tolerant once they are established. And remember, make sure to keep freshly sown seeds and young seedlings well watered for the first 4 to 6 weeks so they don't fizzle out before they get established. And even if a flower is considered drought tolerant, if you are going to have a heat wave, make sure to give them some water and also be sure to deadhead regularly so you can have lots of blooms throughout the season.